Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rajkumar Shivhare, PGT Mathematics at MLZH Jhansi. Students, our today's topic is shorter distance between two skew lines. First, we should understand what is skew lines. So, two lines which are parallel to each other. In other words, we can say there are two planes and two lines are located in them. Okay, so they are not parallel and they never intersect each other because they are located in different plane. But we have to find the shorter distance between them. So shorter distance is what? Perpendicular distance. Okay, so here we have first line r1, vector r1 equals to a1 plus lambda b1 and vector r2 equal to a2 plus mu b2. Now shorter distance between two lines is given by difference of their points, that is a2 minus a1, and cross product of their direction vectors, that is b1 cross b2, and whole divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. Okay, and this is a distance, so distance cannot be negative, so this is always positive. Now we can also put a magnitude mod sign in this way. Okay, now let us take an example based on this topic. Question first, find the shorter distance between the lines. These are the two lines and we have to find the shorter distance between these two. So this is a1, this is a2, this is b1 and this is b2. a1, a2, b1, b2, right, in this manner. After this, we need these three things. Okay, these three terms we need. So first find a2 minus a1. So this is a2 and this is a1. Subtract both of them. a2 minus a1, we will get this. 2 minus 1 3 हो जाएगा क्योंकि minus 2 है, and 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. And after this find b1 cross b2. So b1 cross b2 we will find it this way, ijk after the component of b1 vector and the component of b2 vector. Now expand along first row, we will get this one. Okay, इस तरह से expand करते हैं. Everybody know this. 3 to 6, 6 minus 20 minus 14 in this way. So after solving this, we will get this. Minus 14 I cap plus 16 j cap minus 19 k cap. This is b1 cross b2. Now find the magnitude of b1 cross b2, that is 14 square plus 16 square plus 19 square within square root, in this way. Now put the respective values in this formula. Write the formula again, a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. So a2 minus a1 is this much, and we have to find the dot product of this and this. So minus 14 into minus 3 plus 42 minus 16 into plus 16 into minus 1 minus 16 minus 19 into minus 2 plus ka 38. Now calculate this, we will get how much? This is what equal to 8 to 10, 80. 80 minus 16, 64. So 64 upon square root of this. So in this way, you can find the shorter distance between two lines. Okay, students, and in the next video we will come to know about shorter distance between two parallel lines. Till then, thank you very much. Have a nice day.